GRAD, professional manufacturer for central air conditioning products. We incarnate as technology messenger and the natural patron saint, with high technology to respect nature, to provide you with perfect central air conditioning system solutions, to show the world the power of national brands. To truly grasp customer needs and keep keen insight into the time's pulse, we keep up with the world's cutting-edge technology to make the central air conditioning system closer to demand. Carrying customers' trust, understanding customers' demand. We use the highest sincerity to explore the technology peak and the most cutting-edge design concept to make the buildings breathe freely. Combining lean manufacturing and modern production lines, we carefully carve every product and explain the essence of high-end manufacturing with concentrated attention. The whole central air conditioning system from chiller to terminal products. We sell not only the products, but a high-quality lifestyle. With first-class test platform and entire control system, we pay back customer trust by impeccable quality. We keep constant pursuit for faster, more efficient, and more valuable service to exceed the customer's expectations with higher standard. relentlessly improve customer satisfaction. Give careful revision for service details. We are always at your side. Keeping a foothold by classic projects. Our central air conditioning projects cover all over the world. And we meet your requirements by our considerate service. We are looking forward to be permanent friend with you after cooperation. GRAD keeps chasing dream for over 20 years. Under self-improvement and morality, a completely new horizon is developed. Supported by Belt and Road Strategy, GRAD keeps expansion in international markets like America, Europe, and Southeast, etc. Our goal is to cultivate excellent talents and achieve century-lasting enterprise. Based on virtue, we keep sincerity and trust. People-oriented, we keep kindness and beauty. Insisting customers first, we make great achievements in future. GRAD, professional manufacturer for central air conditioning products.